bakit may kalandian kang nag-check out ka pala ng ibang babae? And then, you're just gonna fool around and look for another, di sana hindi na lang ako nagsayang ng panahon para magpaganda sa sarili ko. Ganon.
Umiinom ng pineapple juice yan para mabango daw.
Oo, pampabango kasi ng pepe yan. Charot.
Rico Robles, Hot Babe Cherie, and Phoebe Walker. It's Too Hot for Podcast. It's Too Hot for Podcast.
Too Hot for Podcast is recorded live in front of a studio audience.
All right, ladies. How you guys doing?
Good. Hello, everybody. Hi, Rico. Hi, Phoebe.
Hi, guys. I'm so happy to be here. Let's do this.
All right, here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Before we start our show, we got any shots?
Woohoo!
Yeah!
All right, this is
What is this?
The Megarita.
Megarita.
Of course, only available here at Luho.
Yeah, Luho, we are here. We have
Luho.
leveled up. In our previous episodes, we were over in Forbes Park. And then now we are here at Luho, here in Poblacion. What are the prime stuff? Well, ladies,
Ganda
cheers!
dito, ah.
Cheers!
Cheers! Here we go. Refreshing. Okay, my name is Rico Robles.
My name is Cherie.
And I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this is
Too Hot for Podcast.
Yes, thank you, Kuya.
Oh, wow. Audience. Always in front of a live studio audience. We do our show, in our previous episode, they did get to see the B-sides, or let's just say the funny reels that happened all throughout. Kasi minsan our airing, we could only compress so much. You know what I mean? So yung mga funny tidbits, they were able to witness it. But now, it's a brand spanking new episode for you guys. Okay, Cherie,
Yes.
How are you? What you been up to?
Wala, I just came back from my trip in Europe. And shout out sa mga nanonood dyan na. Nako, nagiging sex guru na ako dun, Rico.
So what's the experience like? You travel across the globe. Online, everybody will get to see what we do.
Yeah, I'm surprised and I'm really, really thankful sa mga kababayan natin dyan na. Kasi in fairness, Rico, yung show natin nakakatulong sa kanila. Natutuwa sila, nag-i-enjoy silang panoorin. At the same time, kahit kabastusan yung mga pinag-uusapan natin minsan, it's a learning for them.
So what were the questions you were getting from our kababayan? So what are the questions?
It's so funny. They're like,
what part of the world did you go?
I went to, sa Milan ako medyo nagkaroon ng, marami tayong mga kaibigan dyan na nanood ng show. And tinanong nila sa akin, Miss Cherie, anong toys ba yung magandang? Tawa ko ng tawa. Sige. Kasi alam mo, Rico, when I was traveling there, very open yung mga tao doon when it comes to those things. May mga stores doon na nagbibenta ng maraming toys.
Yeah, I'm
maraming
sure.
outfits.
Sa Europe,
Oo, kaso lang hinihila ako ng nanay ko tsaka nung anak ko. Don't go there. So, kailangan kong bumalik dyan.
On tour na tayo lang.
On tour na tayo lang. Baka malay mo, one of these days, madadala natin.
Us, we'll be there.
Yeah, madadala natin yung Too Hot for Podcast doon. Diba? Why not?
And the Department of Tourism, we're there.
Yeah. So ano ba tawag natin sa mga nanonood? Ka-hotties, no? Mga
Hotties.
Mga ka-hotties natin.
So,
hello,
hotties over there in Milan and also Amsterdam ba?
Yes, we went to Amsterdam. We went to Paris. We went to Italy. And we went to Switzerland, Zurich.
Wow.
Yeah.
So
we
a lot of
toured
budget in
around.
this tour,
Yeah. Hindi pa nadadala dun
Ayan na, Rico.
So later, we will go to Metro Walk. And then we will go to City Hall.
Uy, meron namang Venice.
Piazza.
Diba?
We'll go there. We'll end it over in McKinley Hill.
Nag-boat kami, yung ganon. Gondola ba tawag nila doon?
Gondola.
Yeah, the gondola. Gondola, no? The gondola.
So these are, you can see that the power of the internet and the Filipinos and everybody who wants to learn a thing or two about, sex and improve in the art.
Hindi, kasi alam mo,
LDR no?
Sa totoo lang talaga, Rico, naman talaga, important naman yun sa buhay ng tao. It's really very, siguro hindi lang talaga na pag-uusapan. But it's good that we can actually talk about that kind of topic kasi other people syempre for them, medyo nahihiya sila
They shouldn't
pag-usapan.
have pun there, you know?
Yeah, and this show talaga is open for everyone na pag-usapan kung ano yung mga hindi nyo kayang pag-usapan.
And we do have our
So-
first letter sender in the bit. We'll
Yeah.
share,
Oh.
for our Too Hot Confessions. Yes, that's something new that we're bringing in for 2025 for our Too Hot Confessions. They did send it to Too Hot for Podcast. That is toohotpodcast@gmail.com.
Too Hot Podcast. Dapat naka-appear sa
Nalimutan yung
sa
for
screen.
podcast.
Yeah.
toohotpodcast@gmail.com. So they send it there, all right? So send it over there to our friends. And from what I hear as well is that we're doing very well in Saudi Arabia and in India as well. We have a lot of Habibis watching.
Habibis.
Wow.
Also in Japan, ha? In
Oh.
fairness.
Our Maria Osawa episode did well in Japan.
I think so. That's why.
So we're very open to visiting you guys there. All we
Yes.
need is a sponsor.
Spongy.
Why not?
Kailangan.
Spunky.
Pag inispogi niyo itong dalawa, kasama dapat ako.
No, of course, the whole team. O, ilan
The whole
tayo
team,
dito?
lahat.
Mga 8 lang kami.
We roll in a
3.
pack of 12 people, right? Yeah, we gotta have the bartender too because of the shot.
Yeah, kailangan, syempre.
So that's what we have. All right, so let's go to headlines first. Let's talk screenshots.
Time for some headlines. You like that, don't you?
Screenshot?
Yeah, you know,
hot topic.
You know,
Naku,
Cherie-
patay. Alam mo, Rico, nung narinig ko yun, sabi ko, oh my gosh, kung yung phone ko yung makikita nila, wala na, talo lahat.
Are
Pati
you
si
the
Paris
type?
Hilton, talo.
Are you the type who would share a screenshot? Kunyari, may nagawi kayo ng jowa mo. Are you the type who would share a screenshot and post it online? To prove
Actually,
yourself right?
Alam mo, Rico, nangyari na rin sa akin dati yun. Kasi medyo may pagkasilosa ako, di ba? So, before, nung hindi ko pa na-realize na wag mangialam ng telepono ng... Parang sabi nga nila, di ba, what you don't know won't hurt you. But, hindi ko pa alam nung time na yon. Siyempre, sa pagkasilosa ko, ino-open ko yung cellphone ng ano.
Paano mo
May mga
nabubuksan?
Siyempre, minimemorize mo yung password. Oh. So, may one time, nabuksan ko yung phone nung ex ko. Tapos, nakita ko yung mga alam mo yung mga kalandian, ganyan. Pinicturean ko.
Wow.
Sinend ko sa akin.
Screenshot on screenshot.
Yeah, pero I don't
Wow.
think naman kasi na maganda siyang i-share. Kasi for me lang ha.
Dali, pinicturean mo. Kasi hindi ka
Pinicturean
marunong
ko.
mag-screenshot.
Hindi, kasi
Para ko balang ko
baka
naman.
kasi pag in-screenshot ko, syempre sa phone niya yun
true.
di ba? So kailangan i-picturean ko lang.
Tapos sinend niya sa
Tapos,
kanya.
tapos sinend ko sa sa akin.
Why did you do that?
Kasi para lang meron lang akong okay. So meron pala talaga siyang possibility na makapaglandian, alam mo yun yung ganon. But
So, just in case mag-away kayo in the future, meron
May
kang
bala.
pruweba.
may bala. Pero wala akong balak na i-post online or something like. Para lang, if ever, pag nahuli ko sa akto, kasi yung screenshot naman, wala naman akong nakitang nag-jerjer kami. Wala namang ganon. Kumbaga parang lang.
What's Gerger?
Gerber.
Jerjer.
I know Gerber. It's a kid's food.
Bisaya kasi ako. Yung tawag kasi namin dun sa Bisaya, jerjer.
Okay, what's that?
Oo. Yung pag pumunta ka sa bahay ni Roger, tas mag-jerjer kayo ni Roger.
Gerger.
So, jerjer ang tawag na. Wala namang ganun pangyayari.
Is that sex, Gerger?
Yeah.
Okay,
In Bisaya,
vocabulary. Gerger.
Oo, so wala namang ganun. Pero alam mo yung may ka-text siyang barkada niya, tapos parang, nakita ko si ganito. Sobrang hot ha. Ganun. May mga ganun na okay.
Side comment lang. Ganun.
Oo, so may mga possibility pala ha na nag-check out ka pala ng ibang babae. Pinicturean ko. Pero nanginginig na rin ako sa screenshot na yun ha.
My gosh, ako siguro kung at that moment na nakita ko yung screenshot sa phone nung jowa
I-share mo
ko.
sa IG mo?
No. Ko-confront ko siya at the time. Parang hindi ko kaya
Hindi, ganun ang ginawa ko. Kinonfront ko.
Okay.
Oo,
Okay.
ganun
So,
ang
paano
ginawa
mo
ko.
kinonfront?
Oh.
While you're having sex and he was about to come
Hindi
out,
naman.
you're like, no, mag-usap tayo. Pinigil.
Siyempre, hindi naman ako kasi Alam mo yung pag nakikita ko, hindi ko makontrol yung emotions ko.
Yeah.
As in, right there and then, kailangan talagang i-confront ko kaagad. Yung ganun.
So roleplay.
Parang sasabi
Ganun
yung
ako,
dibdib
yung
mo
parang,
diba?
ano to? Bakit may kalandian kang, nag-check out ka pala ng ibang babae? Hello, anong ginagawa ko sa sarili ko? Inaalagaan ko yung self ko. May action talaga,
Teatrong
And then, you're just gonna fool around and look for another, Eh di sana hindi na lang ako nagsayang ng panahon para magpaganda sa sarili ko. Ganon.
Umiinom ng pineapple juice yan para mabango daw.
Oo, pampabango kasi ng pepe yan eh. Charot.
How about you? How did you confront?
Confront agad.
Ganun ka rin.
Hindi. Well, wala pa naman akong ganyang experience.
Sa ngayon. Hindi, joke.
Yeah, sa ngayon. Wala pa.
Ngayon.
Pinutusta na naman natin si Rico. No?
Ako
Sa
kasi,
phone ko, walang password. Na-charge sa harapan niya.
I don't wanna be in that position na chine-check ko yung, alam ko siguro, yung
Yeah.
minsan kasi accidentally, no? Pero hindi ako yung type ng person na i-check ko talaga. Like, intentionally, i-check kahit mabilisan. Hindi parang, I know what I have with my boyfriend. Kung if he cheats on me, o di ko pa siya na-experience kasi.
Ako kasi before.
Papa-experience natin.
Ako kasi before, hindi rin ako nag-check. Pero alam mo, nung nahuli ko na, nagkaroon ako ng, alam mo yung kapag may nangyari na sa'yo. Tapos
May
nagkaroon
trauma
ka na
ka
ng
na.
trauma.
Ay, grabe.
So pagka may trauma ka na, pag nakikita mo na yung, kasi dati may nagsabi sa akin, hindi naman nagtitext yan eh. Tapos bigla na lang, ting, nag-ring yung phone. Heart. Sabi ko, akala ko ba hindi siya nagtitext? Bakit may heart?
Tropa ko yun sa
So
basketball.
ginawan ko, binuksan ko.
Okay.
O di nakita ko lahat ng mga kalokohan niya. Kaya kami naghiwalay. Kumbaga parang, so nung next boyfriend, kawawa naman, sorry dun sa,
Nabantayan mo.
nabantayan ko na. So parang, nag-check na ako ng phone after. Pero ngayon kasi, alam mo yung sa sobrang dami mo ng experience, parang alam mo, bahala ka na kung
But you know,
magloloko ka.
they-
Ganyan. Andun na ako sa point na yun na parang, I don't check phones anymore.
Bahala nga.
Tsaka you have
Tapos
better
na yung,
things to do with
parang
your time.
tapos na yun, na parang okay, kung gusto mo magloko, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Parang I don't
Exactly.
care anymore. It's not my loss.
You know what
Ganon.
I am worth? If you
Yeah.
waste this, then
O, Rico, take
bahala
note.
ka sa buhay mo. Parang gano'n.
Tama.
Namumula
Kung ano yung sinabi ng mga girls, tama.
Oo, yes.
Ganon.
Okay. Yes ka lang.
How about you with screenshots?
Wala, hindi ako seloso. Hindi ako with screenshots. Yeah, mo lang. But you know what you're worth. You know your,
That's what I said.
you know your sexual capabilities. You know that you cherish your relationship
You know
so
your
well.
size. Ganon. Charot.
Hindi, pag alam mo lahat kasi yan, and you make sure the girl feels comfortable, that you don't have to prove yourself.
Yeah.
Masaya yung relationship.
Ito
you build
naman si
good
Rico,
memories
ano
together.
naman to knowing him.
Oo. Basta,
Loyal.
Laging tapat. Kung sino yung matapat, yun.
Sino yung matapat?
Yun.
Pero nakakatakot lang yung screenshots nowadays, no? Kasi parang resibo siya sa...
Yeah.
Gets
I
mo?
know, right?
Parang
They call
pwede-
it resibo.
Nag-away-away, ganun eh. Pinapost online. Ang problema, pag nakikichismis ka sa screenshot, i-zoom mo pa talaga, ang liit. So, ano
Hindi
walang kwenta.
mabasa.
Alam mo yung kayo-kayo na lang, guys. Masyado matagal. Alam mo yun? Bahala ka sa buhay
Nakita
niyo.
ko nga actually, may nag-send sa akin na friend from the US. Hindi ko, kasi sa totoo lang, nandun ako sa, di ba tayo, nandun tayo sa industry na yun. Nakakapagod ng, makichismis
We have
eh.
no
Pero,
time to read.
I know. So, ang ginagawa ko na lang, I go to Rico's profile.
It's all there.
So, doon ako naghahanap ng, eto pala yung pag-uusapan namin sa next topic namin. Eto na. So, nung pinost ni Rico yun, bago ka pa nag-post, yung friend ko tumawag. Nag-send ng message sa IG. Sherry, ganun ba talaga ugali ng babaeng yan? Ganun. Sabi ko, sino babae? Yung si ganyan. Sabi ko, sabi ko, sino ba yung pinag-uusapan mo? Hindi mo ba alam yung mga nangyayari ngayon?
Eh, nasa abroad kayo. Wala kang data eh.
Ay, hindi, yung nasa abroad nga yung nag-text sa akin eh. From abroad pa. So, nung sinend niya sa akin, punta ako kay Rico. So, nung nakita ko yung post ni Rico about it, sabi niya nahihirapan daw siyang basahin yung screenshot. So, tinawagan ko siya. Rico,
Ito nangyari.
ano nangyari? Sabi ko,
Nag-cheat yung isa.
ikwento mo nga sa akin kasi hindi ko na alam kung paano ko babasahin kung nahihirapan kang basahin yung screenshot. Hello, mas lalo naman ako sa sobrang katamaran ko.
Pero feeling ko relationship move lang yan for the love teams to work. It's showbiz. You know what it is. Kasi
Yeah.
both channels may breakup na gano'n.
Hindi, tsaka kasi pag nasa age ka na pa na ganun, parang medyo hindi mo pa talaga agad-agad kang gumagawa ng, you do things na hindi mo iniisip.
But again, screenshots,
So-
you could get sued. You could get sued for
Yeah,
screenshot,
yun na nga eh. So-
for libel, and also data privacy
Yeah.
act. That's a lot of money.
At saka syempre, nakakasira din ng ibang tao yun, di ba? I mean, like if you're...
Sabi nga ni Maria Osawa, internet is forever.
Yeah, so if your
Oh,
goal
diba?
talaga na masira yung isang tao,
Yeah.
isi-screenshot at ipopost mo talaga yun.
Sisirain kita para wala
Oo.
nang makinabang
Yeah.
sa iyo.
Oo, yung parang ganun. I mean like for me kung gusto ko lang talagang sirain yung pagkatao ng isang tao, gagawin ko yun. But syempre kung wala ka naman talagang ganung klaseng galit.
Pero may nagtatanong nga sa previous reel mo daw sino ba yung sumubo ng dildo? Marami
Siyempre, huwag na natin ilaglag. Kawawa naman. Baka naman matandaan ng girlfriend niya.
Ang dami nag-i-inquire. Sino yun?
Baka naman kasi pag nalaman nila kung sino yun, kawawa naman yung girlfriend nung person na yun ngayon.
There you go. That's what makes
Baka
it for
mag-aabang na siya
headlines.
sa bed.
For our screenshots, I'd say no, don't take it. It's gonna drive us crazy and everything. Now, time for our first letter sender. This is for Too Hot Confessions. They sent it over to toohotpodcast@gmail.com. Do check it out. Here we go. Of course, it's on email.
No, and this person who sent us the letter is an avid fan of the show.
Oo.
Talagang pinapanood niya every episode. So maraming salamat sa'yo,
Thank you.
Hati. And also, he sent us parang problema niya sa
Namumroblema.
Namumroblema.
So,
Okay.
we'll share this with you. Am I going to read it, girls? Are you gonna
Yeah,
read it?
yeah, yeah.
Oh, it's a guy
Read it.
problem. Okay. It says here, hey there, hotties. Here's my story. I met this girl sa Tinder. Yellow ba Tinder? Bumble.
Tinder. Bumble.
I met this girl on Bumble and we instantly click. She literally is everything I've been looking for in a woman. Plus, she smokes too, which was a big bonus. My exes always judged me for smoking, which, to be honest, I never understood.
Teka lang, anong smoking ba yan?
Anong smoke to?
Anong klaseng smoke ba
Hindi ko
yan?
alam.
The
She
happy
smokes.
smoke siguro.
Okay,
Yung pampahappy.
Ano, bacon?
Pampahappy ba yun? Pampadown pala.
Yeah. 420.
Sorry.
Hey, weed. Jutes daw. Jutes.
Okay.
Anyway, I like her so much that I kind of embellished some things during our first few dates. She mentioned that she wanted a guy who would provide for her because she wanted to be a stay-at-home kind of girl. Mahanap ng dom. Okay. So I told her I could. Even though deep down, I knew I couldn't. Whenever she asked for money, I'd take it from my savings just to give it to her. Eventually, I decided to be honest with her. And her reaction, she saw me as a broke liar. May nangyari ba sa'yo yung ganun?
Alin?
Yung parang provide money for me. Tapos may pera siya kunyari, papa big time. Tapos nung naging kayo na, wala palang pera.
Ay, oo naman. Pero kasi I'm not the type na humihingi Kung di ba? Kasi ano naman ako, I'm a very independent woman. Kung magbigay, tanggapin. Kung hindi,
Kung
okay lang.
magbigay talaga, ay salamat
Oo, kung magbigay,
Panginoon,
thank
diba?
you. Ganon.
Halagang ganyan, mga blessings.
Mahirap to kasi.
Well,
Okay.
she saw me as a broke liar. Which, to be fair, wasn't entirely wrong. I owned up to it. But it wasn't like I wasn't trying. I was working 2 jobs just to support myself and her. Still, no matter how much effort I put in, she's always thought that I was a liar. Sinungaling ka. Wala kang pera, slapsuit. Here's the really messed up part. We were 6 months in our relationship when she told me she had a family trip to Japan, that she needed 50,000 pesos for the trip. For the kind of guy she wanted, that amount would have been pocket change. But for me, I needed to save up, to set aside 10,000 pesos every month to reach the amount. Ano daw siya? Nahirapan daw siya. Nagturo pa daw siya ng language.
Oh.
Iba-iba pinasok. Kasi
Wawa
nag-inis
naman.
pa. I gave her the money. She got to Japan. She went wild. She clubbed for 2 nights and hooked up with 2 different guys.
Wow.
When she came back, she admitted everything. Inamin ni girl. She said she was so angry at me for lying to her. Ba't ka nagsinungaling? Kaya nagpatira ako sa dalawa.
Oh my gosh.
Oh.
Grabe naman, binigyan na nga ng 50,000 na pinaghirapan ka.
Sabi niya, this was her way of getting back at me. It's like I paid her 50,000 to cheat on me. Hatis, I have a question. Why didn't she leave me when she found out I wasn't the guy that she thought I was? Why did she have to hurt me like that?
Well, in my opinion...
Ay,
shot muna.
Sa sobrang bigat ng problema na to.
Grabe ha.
Kailangan nating mag-shot.
Nakakaawa naman.
Na-feel mo ba parang naging soul yung luho bigla?
Kaya nga biglang naging tahimik eh. Ano to?
EXO.
This is Absolute Wildberry.
Amaretto is my favorite soul tribe.
Absolute Wildberry, courtesy of Luho.
Uy, sarap.
Uy, wow, ang sarap nito ah. Gusto ko pa.
Very good.
Char.
Thank you, Luho.
Thank you so much, Luho.
Yeah.
Absolute Wildberry.
Very
Okay.
good.
So this is an absolutely wild story.
Grabe. I mean,
So
like...
this is from our letter sender.
Yes.
We'll call him, budding director.
Budding director.
Budding
Budding
director.
director.
Budding director.
Budding director.
Yeah, not budding
Okay.
director, budding director. All right.
Budding director.
All right. So this is a pretty, I mean, for you girls, for me, it's like, that's what happens when you go on dates and you flex big.
Yeah. Yeah.
You know,
Totoo.
ako, honestly, when I go out on dates, ang una kong flex, Uncle Mo's. You keep the expectation low.
Hindi, sa
Level.
totoo lang, Rico, sa mga babae naman, you just have to be honest. I mean, kung simpleng tao ka lang at hindi mo talaga afford yung ganong lifestyle, you just have to be very honest. Kasi it's up to the girl naman if the girl will accept it or not. And then you'll find out if magiging okay. Kasi imagine, if you date someone and then you like her, and then you make her feel like you can provide for her. And then time comes na hindi mo pala't kayang ibigay yun.
I can show you the world.
Diba? Kantahan mo lang ng I can show you my bird. Ganun na lang. Kasi pag pinaasa mo naman kasi yung isang tao, if you make them feel like you can provide for them, they will expect.
Did you guys
diba?
ever have that moment? Like, we were talking earlier did you have that moment? Have you had that moment?
Yeah. I mean, hindi mo naman maiiwasan yung syempre, men will always flex at first.
Yeah.
Diba?
When you're dating.
Yeah, when you're dating. Ganun naman talaga eh. But
So, ano ginawa mo when you found out that person wasn't that much money,
ako, are you asking me? Ano naman eh, parang for me kasi, hindi kasi ako yung tao na umaasa talaga.
Pero nga,
for
when
me lang,
you found out,
Wala.
flex siya, yacht,
I
yun
mean,
pala.
like, I looked at the nice qualities in him instead of looking at the negative.
Yeah.
And di ba, iwi-weigh mo ngayon yun. Ano ba yung, what's better? This attitude or him pretending like
be-
that he can provide everything for me?
Yeah.
Eh, kung hindi naman niya napoprovide yung money, but like he can provide something else like attention, service. You just have
Uy,
to know
attention
what's
and
your...
time is a lot.
Yeah,
That's-
I mean, you just have to know what's your love language,
Yes.
siguro. And if you can't put up with him not able to provide what you want financially or material things, and then leave him, di ba? I mean, like, for me lang. I mean, be honest.
Sayang yung oras.
Yeah,
Na
sayang yung
ginugol
oras
yun,
eh.
diba?
So, ano yung
But
usapan
for
niyo
me
pag
kasi, for the budding director, right, it's hard kasi yung right off the bat, nagsimula agad sa falsehood and pretensions eh. Gets mo, na hindi sila agad naging honest sa isa't isa. But then again, I cannot blame the girl because some girls really go out to find security.
Yeah, that's true.
They
Lahat
find
naman.
men.
Lahat
Oo.
naman.
Yes.
Lahat naman. I mean, choices, di
That's
ba?
true, that's
Kung gusto
true.
ng babae na maging stay at home na nakaupo lang and then gusto niyang alagaan lang siya nung guy, yung ganun, choice niya yun. Di ba?
Yeah. So maybe yun yung mali ni budding director.
Yeah.
But then, he tried his best to provide pa rin kahit
Pero dapat doon
ito
sinabi
lang.
niya na para bang, ito lang kita ko.
Oo.
Ganon.
Yeah.
Gusto mo mag-Japan ka, trip mo lang, ikaw lang. Hindi yung pamilya mo. You know that kind of level? You set the bar low. Because remember, you're gonna be together for a long time. You gotta set that bar, little by little. You know what I mean? So you have something to build from. Kung one night stand, sige, go big. O, pak, I'll buy you your friends in this bar. Pak, ganun, one night. Wala nang repeat,
Hindi, pero alam mo,
diba?
yun din kasi talaga din yung problem ng mga lalaki who parang nag-flex na kaagad in the first place. Like, sa unang pa lang, you make the woman feel like you can provide for this person. And then at the end, ikaw din pala yung nahihirapan. So, mali rin yun for men.
Sobrang mali.
So if you can't take care of the woman financially and sa mga kailangan niya, you have to be very honest sa first time pa lang. Not like,
sa first, on the get-go pa
yeah,
lang.
on the get-go pa lang, you have to give the woman a choice naman.
Before
kasi,
any clothes has been taken off.
that's true.
before
Kasi
all
what
that
if
stuff,
naman din talaga that is what the lady wants.
So what do you think our
herself.
budding director should do?
Budding director,
Kasi-
I think this is a lesson for you. Next time, be very honest. And if you can take care of the woman financially, don't force yourself. Ganun lang yun.
Yeah, and it just means that she's not for you kasi not all women are looking for a provider. I mean, sige, yes, a provider. But on their own, independent din sila. So,
Yeah.
hindi siya totally relying on your income. Gets mo? Kasi, diba, there are different kinds of women.
Baka yung kailangan niya yung medyo mas older man
Oo.
na established, na
Yes.
maraming pera,
Oh,
na kailangan ng younger
That's right.
women.
Younger baby girl.
Oo, like
mga
a baby.
ganyan.
that's
Oo.
right.
Baby girl.
Yeah, I think sugar daddy yung hanap ni,
Yun, tama.
ni girl.
Yeah.
Remember, how you meet them is how you lose them. So if you met them through the app, you lose them through the app. It's as simple as that. All right. So thank you very much for our letter sender. Don't forget, for all our letter senders, if you have any confessions you want to share with us, we'll do our best to help you guys out, somehow solve this problem. All you got to do is email it to hotpodcast@gmail.com.
Yes.
Do
Yeah.
send it now.
Thank you so much, budding director.
Thank you so
You will
much.
get out of this
Yes.
and you will be happy.
And you have the Virginize, our two hot confessions.
Marami pa naman dyan na isa-swipe right mo sa Bumble. So, on to the next, budding
Yes.
director.
All right, time for our Rated R jar.
Oh, diba?
The Rated R Jar. The Rated R Jar.
As you can see, gumanda na naman.
Oh, look, it's gold because we are in Luho.
Golden na
Maluho
siya.
ang production. All right.
Ako ba? Ako
Sige,
ba
go,
bubunot?
Shereen.
Golden na siya.
Maluho ang production natin. Wow, handwritten talaga, no?
Why do Gen Z and Alpha generations choose to not conceive? Huh?
Oh, yeah. Ayaw maganda.
Majority.
Yeah.
Really?
Yes. I could answer.
Di ko alam yun
Yeah, it's called the DINK generation. Tama ba? The double income, no kids generation. It's when both of you come together, parehas kayo nagtatrabaho, tapos ayaw nyo ng anak. Which is totally reasonable given yung mga nangyayari sa mundo ngayon. Like,
Yes.
I don't know if you watch all of these documentaries now on Netflix, how we're able to sustain
Oh, you got her
even
started in this.
even
oh, no.
just the food source nating mga tao, 'di ba?
Yes.
Yung pag-agriculture natin ng mga meat, ng mga kung ano-ano pang hayop na we try to farm ourselves. I don't know, sorry. I get into this stuff talaga eh. And then it's
This
kind
is
of
her moment.
depressing.
Nako,
lagot-lagot.
Right? It's kind of depressing kaya I know a lot of people na nagiging vegetarian, vegans na sila.
Yeah.
Kasi nakaka-depress if you do watch these things.
Yes, yes.
And even, syempre, yung consumerism, yung pagiging, ano natin, yung capitalistic ng mga corporations, di ba?
Patagal-tagal.
How they try.
Too hot for podcast.
How
Now,
they
1
try
hour
to scam
special.
you into buying and buying and buying para sila yung kumita, but really we're just generating
That's
so
right.
much waste.
Carbon.
Saan napupunta? Like if you buy this new dress, like that's my philosophy for the year. I'm gonna try to not buy myself anything material. I'm just gonna invest my money. Kasi like exactly, like you taught me this. Parang how many
Ikaw pala nagturo.
How many
Ikaw
dresses do
Ikaw
you
naman
need?
pala
Exactly.
eh.
Like how many pairs of shoes do you need? Anong gagawin mo pag bumili ka na naman ng 10 pares? Anong gagawin mo dun sa mga pares mo sa bahay? Ipamimigay mo.
Oh my God, bigla ako nag-isip, di ba? Kasi ganun ako, bili ng bili.
Yeah, no, really. Like
Sale pa naman sa Zara ngayon.
Oo
Diba?
nga. May stylist nga ako sa Zara eh. Hello ate.
Sale pa naman.
Yeah, so wala lang. It's kind of sad kasi nga syempre the economy rin nowadays, ang liit ng sweldo, ang
True.
tataas ng bilihin. Inflation is at an all-time
That's
high.
true.
So why do they want to have
That's
kids?
true.
Because responsibility, one.
Responsibility.
Two, it'll take away
Well-
time. Kumbaga, it's a drag to their goals. Kasi nga, ang goals sila, career goals.
Yeah.
And that could be seen on Instagram when you're successful in your career. You know, you flex that power. So they don't want to sacrifice that.
It's true naman. It's true naman. Mahirap naman talaga to have a kid. But, well, may point din naman na kung hindi nyo kaya at nahihirapan kayo,
Ikaw ba
you'd rather
nahihirapan ka?
just... Oo
How old
naman.
are you when you had your baby?
14. Hindi, joke lang.
I mean,
malalaman
you're a
nila yung edad
star.
ko.
You're a star.
No, but what I mean is, mahirap talaga if magkaanak. It's really hard. It's not easy. And if you cannot take care of that human, then you'd rather not have na lang.
So you take it from her.
Kasi it's really hard. And ngayon nga parang tinatanong ako, magbe-baby ka pa ba if ever mamimit ko yung right person? I mean, for me, I think not anymore. Kasi, parang I've been through that. It's really hard. And siguro sa mga Gen Z, siguro may point din naman sila. But iba pa rin, for me kasi iba pa rin kung makikita mo yung kadugo mo. Alam
Next
mo yun?
question.
Yeah. Iba pa rin.
agree.
Iba pa rin talaga.
But I also agree on the date generations.
We'll make-
It's totally your
It's your
decision.
choice.
We'll make a new
Yes.
episode. Last shot now. Last shot. All right.
Last shot!
Okay, but we're gonna read the question first, right?
Sexual compatibility. Can it make or break a relationship? Ito, masaya.
Gosh.
Last shot tayo. Last shot. Amaretto.
This is
Uy, I love
Amaretto
Amaretto.
Aceda. What is an Aceda?
wow.
Aceda.
Kuya,
What is
ano to,
Aceda?
Almond.
Almond.
Cheers! Happy New Year!
So
Amaretto
social.
Aceda. Try it here.
Thank you.
Oh, it's not salt. It's like milk.
Okay, favorite ko to.
Wow,
This
ang
is my
sarap.
favorite.
It's so creamy.
Gusto ko
and
ng
so
mas
delicious.
marami nito, kuya. Isang baso.
Okay, so guys, if you come to Luho, you gotta try the
Yeah.
Amaretto
Luho.
Aceda.
Oh my gosh, it's so good.
Thank you, kuya.
It's so good. I have to wipe myself. I got some here.
Ganun lang, Rico.
Okay, going back to the question. Sexual compatibility.
Of course, it's very important. Yeah. Kasi if you're not sexually...
Tanggalin mo natin yung puti din sa microphone.
sorry.
Yung mga,
Siguro na kaya.
yung mga white sa ano.
Kasi syempre, pag hindi kayo compatible sexually, parang useless din yung relationship.
Ano yun, sa
Kasi-
date muna, then
That's
you
very
have
important.
sex during the date?
What if,
or...
what if you don't have sex hanggat hindi pa kayo?
Ah.
Yung dating, yung walang sex.
Doon mo malalaman.
So yun na yun.
Problema mo
Kung ako tatanungin mo, hindi rin naman ako nakikipag-sex pag hindi pa kami.
Sasagutin ko.
I mean, ako din naman, hindi naman ako nakikipag-sex pag hindi pa kami. But, pag nalaman ko na hindi kami compatible,
Out.
I'm
Ekis
sorry,
na.
can we
Ekis
be
agad.
friends? Ganun agad.
Talaga,
Excuse me,
very
I'm
like
sorry.
that talaga. Straight to the point.
Oo.
Oh, ikaw,
kasi
sige,
ako,
naman.
I'm a very sexual person. I cannot
So do you give your all?
be with somebody na hindi kami sexually compatible.
Do you give your A game kapag yung kunyari nagde-date
Wait,
kayo?
I also have a question. Paano mo masasabi na hindi kayo sexually compatible? Diba it's basically the same thing lang,
No.
right?
Hindi, pag hindi mo
no.
na-enjoy, pag hindi mo na-enjoy yung size niya,
I see people
pag
shaking
mga
their
1
heads
inch
here.
lang, pag
There's
mga
a
1 inch,
chemistry.
kahit mag-somersault ka pa, wala kang ma-feel. Ay, hindi kami compatible nun.
So pag di
Or di
gumagalaw.
kaya, hindi naman siya magaling. Ako yung laging nagtatrabaho lagi. Wala, sorry.
Kasi lasing siya lagi.
Ha?
Lasing lagi siya.
Hindi, alam mo, eto na naman nga, alam mo may experience ako before ha. Sobrang okay sana siya eh. Ang problema, alam mo yung parang siyang punong kahoy, nakahiga lang.
So it's the male version of the log.
So,
Punong kahoy nga, lag. Starfish.
hindi, pero yun log yun. Kasi nakaganon lang talaga. Oh my, alam mo yung parang, can we be friends? Kasi parang hindi ko kaya. I mean, like, I wanna enjoy.
What if it's too much? The guy has too much sex.
Okay lang yung too much. Pero yung nothing, oh my goodness, I cannot. Anyway, ikaw, what do you think? Ikaw?
No, like kasi nga, I come from a very conservative family na they think very conservatively, no? But something on Desperate Housewives changed my mind. If you watch that show.
I don't.
Gabriella, Eva Longoria, I love you so much. She said you would never buy a Ferrari without test driving it. So I actually do believe that.
Oh.
Ako rin ganun.
diba?
Ako ganun. Yung una, ito.
Ikaw, you will never buy Toyota. If
Kung hindi
vlogging to
So ito, sa ganun. Para bang on the dating end. Tatry mo muna kung magaling. Kung may mga amoy-amoy. Ano
Hindi,
man
pero
yan.
Rico, knowing you, you're very
diba?
wag ako Rico.
Fourth
Conservative ka.
Fifth date.
Si Rico, kahit upuan na siya, wala siyang ginagawa
Fifth
talaga.
date.
Pag di niya type, sorry.
Yeah.
Ganon.
Ito sinaway na ako ng bandang huli. Para why are we here? What are we doing this? We should be together. Last na. We're under time pressure.
Wala na.
We're under time pressure.
Daldal kasi natin.
Last.
Phoebe na yan.
No more
Phoebe na
question.
yan.
We wrap up na, di ba?
Wrap up.
Wrap
Okay.
up na ba? Or may question pa? One more?
All right, cool. Here we go.
Okay. Recap.
Time for our Naked Truth.
Oh my god.
Ooh.
The Naked Truth. Too hot for podcast. The Naked Truth.
You know, things that we've talked about, of course, all about screenshots. You know, I suggest just don't take it because the internet's forever. Everybody
Wag
will
na.
always remember it.
Yeah.
Just move on. If anybody ever screw you over, it's okay.
Yeah.
You have plans, but God has better plans for you. So you could
Yeah.
find somebody a lot better than that. You know what I mean? Know your self-worth. That's what it's
Don't
about.
don't waste your time over a person. Kung hindi naman loyal sa'yo, leave him or her. Move on. Go and look for somebody else. Marami namang isda sa dagat eh. 'Di ba? May plapla,
May ano.
Talakitok.
talakitok.
Halibut. Yeah.
Yeah.
Hanap ka na ng iba. Ganun.
Exactly. No, and ako, I'd also like to thank again budding director. No, so to all of you guys na merong mga sariling kwento sa relasyon ninyo about your sexual relationships, just send it over to us. And we can talk about it on the show.
Yes, that's right. So remember, in the relationship, it should be effortless because it should be celebrated. When you have to put a lot of
True.
effort in to make it work, maybe it's not for you.
No, and also, kasi alam niyo ba ang sexual incompatibility is grounds for annulment and divorce as well.
Wow.
Diba?
So, subukan muna bago mag-commit.
Exactly. So again, you gotta test drive before you buy that Ferrari.
Pero don't forget to wear something, protection for yourself.
A
naman.
raincoat.
Yeah, a raincoat.
A funny hat. A hoodie.
Baka naman, sponsorships dyan sa mga...
Yeah. So, dude, just trust yourself as you premiere
just trust
something
yourself.
new. Till then, once again, we hope you guys enjoyed our
Galing
episode.
Rico
My name is Rico Robles.
I'm Cherie.
I'm Phoebe Walker.
And this has been
Too Hot for Podcast!
Try before you buy. Try before you buy. Try before you buy.
Bang first.
Try before you bang.
Yeah.